We'll guide you through how to connect and access a USB flash drive on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you go and connect it, you can then go and access it and go and use it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step with what you need to know. Make sure it's this full guide and you don't skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part. So to get started, go and look at your USB. So some are going to be able to go and plug straight into the iPhone. So this here is an iPhone 17, so it uses USB-C. iPhone 15s and newer used USB-C. Older iPhones will go and use Lightning. So in this case, we're going to need an adapter. So I've actually got one here. We'll put some links below. Those are affiliate links to support the channel at no extra cost to you. What we can then do is go and connect it in like so, and we'll go and plug in the USB. It's important to note USBs can only go in one way, so make sure you go and align it correctly and put it in. Make sure you push it in firmly, but if it's wrong, it's not going to go in, so you may need to go and flip it. You can now go and see we've successfully gone and connected it. But now you're wondering, how can I go and access it? So now we're going to go and cover that now. So as well as accessing it, you can also go and save files to it, and I'll briefly cover that as well. So what we need to do is you need to go and find the Files app on your iPhone. So by default, that is going to be on the second page, but you can always go and drag down and search for it if needed. What you then need to do is go and press Browse in the bottom right and come into Locations. Now your USB may be called something different. Mine is called New Volume. So we can go and tap on it and you're going to go and see what's on here. You can see the files and the folders. Let's go and say you wanted to go and copy and move something on it from the iPhone to it, or from the USB to the iPhone, it doesn't matter. So you can press Browse in the bottom right. You could go onto the drive or the iPhone, depending where it currently is. Press the three dots in the top right and press Select. I'll go and select these two. Then we can go to the bottom right and press the three dots and go and press Copy, like so. Now what we can do is we can press back, go to the drive or the iPhone, depending upon where you want to go and have them. We'll go and create a new folder for this. We'll press the three dots in the top right and press New Folder. We'll just go and tap on it. Then I'll go and tap and hold my finger in some blank space, and we can then go and press Paste. And that's it. You can do that vice versa, as I said. So that's it. That is how you can connect and briefly use it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.